Hi there, I'm Vladi from Ausgeknipst, and in this short video I will show you a solution to the problem with the Eveready 531 or PX19 battery that had been commonly used in Polaroid cameras like this land camera 101, the 100, the 220, 230 and others. For the full list, please check the description below. So, those batteries have a really odd shape and connectors and are not sold anymore. So you need to find a solution. There are some people who use AAA battery compartments that they solder into those cameras. But if you don't want to tinker around with your camera and or don't have a soldering iron, you can now buy such a passive adapter of our store. We use common LR44 alkaline batteries that you can buy in almost any supermarket in the world. We used 3 of those to get the correct voltage of 4.5 volts. And those 2 screws and this little connecting socket function as contacts inside the camera. To insert the camera, open the battery compartment on this side here. Check out where the plus and minus contacts are. You also see it printed on the adapter. This is the plus sign. The plus pole is white on my camera here, and I snap the adapter into place. I can also twist it a little as it's a screw. Then I attach the black minus pole. It snaps into place, and then I have to snap the whole adapter here, close it, and it's done. Very easy and affordable solution if you have a Polaroid land camera and don't wanna solder anything. Thanks for watching.